Hi children, we have already learned the sounds of different animals and birds. Yes? Now let's enjoy doing a short exercise on animal sounds. What are we going to do? A short exercise on animal sound. Now you will get a whole lot of pictures and the sound they make. You check and tell me if it's correct or if it's wrong. It's a very enjoyable exercise. Exercise on animal sound. Let's look at our first picture. Here we are. Look. What do you see here? Look at the animals. Look at all the animals. You have your elephant, little piggy, lion, snake, and cow. Now, against this picture, there is the sound animals make. You tell me if it's correct or wrong. Now, the first one is elephant. Elephant, what is the noise made, sound made by the elephant? The elephant lifts his trunk and it trumpets. Is it correct? Yes. So we put a tick there. Elephant trumpets. He'll put his trunk up and make a big noise. And that noise is called trumpeting. Elephant trumpets. Very good. So you remembered the sound. Let's look at the second one. Who is this? Little pig. What the noise made? Sound made by the little pig. The pig's grunt. Yes. The pig's grunt. Is that what is given here? No. Is given here. Pig hisses. No. Who hisses? Snake. So this one, exercise, the pig hisses is wrong. So we put there wrong. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at the next animal. Lion. What is the sound made by the lion? The lion roars in the jungle. Big noise. Lion roars in the jungle. Is it correct? The lion is here and the sound made by him is roaring. So is it correct or wrong? Correct. So we put a tick at the end of the exercise. Good. So we did 3 now. Let's look at this. Snake. What does the snake do? What the sound made? Hisses. The snake hisses. But what's put here? Grunts. Snake grunts. Is it correct sound? No. So we put wrong here. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Look what you have here. Who is this? Little cow. What is the cow? What is the sound made with the cow? The cow says moo. Is it correct? The cow moves. Yes. So we put a tick. So we have done here elephant trumpets, lion roars, and cow moves. We got 3 correct ones in the exercise. Did you enjoy the exercise? Animals and their sounds? Good. Shall we do another short exercise? Look what we have. Look, let's look at all the animals given here. First one is an owl. Where's the owl? It sits in the hole in the forest. This one, a frog. Good. It can live in the water or on land. Bird. Where does the bird sit? On the tree. Makes his own nest. Who is this? A little mouse. Runs around the house. He lives in your garden in the hole. And who is this? Your dog? Your pet dog. Now, there are little sounds here. Let's see. What sound does the owl make at night? It hoots. Very good. And the frog croaks. Very good. Bird chirps. And the little mouse squeaks. And dog barks. Now let's look at and see the exercise is correct. We have here owl. Does the owl bark? No. The owl hoots. So that's wrong. Yes? Good. So we put a wrong sign here. Good. Are you enjoying? Good. Next, let's take the crow. The frog. What is the frog? What is the noise made? The frog croaks. Croak, croak. Yes? So what do we have here? Frog croaks. Is it correct sound made by this animal? Yes. So we put a tick over here because the frog croaks. Correct. Very good. Are you happy? Let's look at the third one. Here's the little bird. comes and sits by your window. Another, what is the sound made by the bird? Chirps. A bird chirps. Chirping of the bird you hear early morning. Okay, bird chirps. Is it correct? Sound? Yes. The sound is correct. So we put a tick here. Good. Let's look at the next one. We have a little mouse here. The mouse squeaks. Correct? Huh? Yes. The mouse squeaks, and that's correct. But the last animal, dog. Dog, what does the dog do? Bark. What's given here? Dog hoots. Is the sound correct? No. So we put wrong here. Now, look. We have here a frog croaks. Correct. Bird chirps. Correct. And a little mouse. What does he do? Squeaks. So we have 3 correct ones. Did you enjoy the exercise? The animals and their sound? Good. Let's go on to one more short exercise. Shall we? Look what you have here. Let's look at all the animals. What's the first one? We have a monkey. What are the monkeys? What's the sound made by the monkey? Chatters. Yes, good. And here you have a goat. What does he do? What's the sound he makes? He bleats. Good. And here you have a cat. What does the cat say? Meow. Mews. Good. And what do you have here? A duck. What does the duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Good. And here you have a cock. What does the cock say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock crows early in the morning. Yes. Now, let's look at the sounds given here and whether it's matching. You have a monkey here. What is given here? Sound chatters. Does the monkey chatter? Yes. Monkey chatters. Is it correct? Sound made by the monkey? Yes. So we put a tick at the end. Good. Very good. Let's take the next one. We have a goat here. What is the sound made by the goat? Goat bleeds. Is it correct? Correct. So we put a tick over here. And the next one we have is, what do we have? We have a cat. What does the cat say? Meow. Cat mews. Cat mew. That's correct. So monkey chatters, correct. Goat bleeds, correct. Yes. And the pussycat mews. Correct. Very good. Let's look at the next one. What is this? Duck. Duck says quack, but it says crow. That's wrong. Isn't it? So we put a wrong side here. Good. Then we have a cock here. Cock crows, but it says quack, so it's wrong. Now look what you have correct here. Monkey chatters, goat bleats, and here pussycat mews. 3 correct. Did you enjoy the exercise, children? I did. Good.